Historic winter storms should lead to impossible travel by Wednesday night and early Thursday. 2 primary rounds of snow are expected. The first will continue through tonight. Accumulations of 4 to 8 inches by Wednesday morning. Round 2 is more widespread and continuous, and will begin Wednesday afternoon and continue into Thursday with an additional 8 to 18 inches expected. Total snow accumulations will range from 14 to 24 inches, with the best chance for the higher end totals along a west to east axis from southwest Minnesota through east central Minnesota and into west central Wisconsin. This is expected to reach the top 5 heaviest snowstorms for many locations. The worst conditions will be Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning, and a blizzard warning is in effect for areas south of Interstate 94 and west of Interstate 35. Heavy snow will combine with northeast wind gusts of 35 miles an hour across the region to around 45 miles an hour in western and southern Minnesota. This will lead to significant blowing and drifting snow with whiteout conditions in open areas. Some drifts may be several feet deep, making travel nearly impossible. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the Twin Cities metropolitan area, blizzard warning has been extended until noon Thursday for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver, Scott, and Wright. A winter storm warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver, Scott, and Wright. Blizzard warning has been extended until noon Thursday for the following county: Rice, Minnesota. A winter storm warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday for the following county: Rice, Minnesota. Winter storm warning has been extended until noon Thursday for the following county: Chisago, Minnesota, and Polk, Wisconsin. Winter storm warning has been extended until noon Thursday for the following counties in Minnesota: Anoka, Dakota, Goodhue, Hennepin, Ramsey, and Washington, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Pierce and St. Croix. A winter weather advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Wednesday for the following county: Chisago, Minnesota, and Polk, Wisconsin. Now here is the hazard